Using harsh lightening or bleaching products can give you a lot of bad reactions on your skin, like sunburn or even green veins. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to show you how you can get rid of green veins that has become very obvious, or green veins that can be seen from far away. Okay, so if you are part of the set of people who has gotten their skin damaged by using, bleaching products, lightening products, and you have plenty large, visible, obvious green veins like this one here on your screen, then this is the video for you. Okay, so keep watching and let's get deeper into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to dispose of every lightening product that you have in your stash. Okay, pack them for one side, like pack all your skin lightening body lotions, all your Kojisan soaps, like all those skin lightening bar soaps, body lotions. You need to heal your skin barrier before you can even think about anything related to lightening or even brightening. Do you understand? Those lightening products are the reason why your skin has become damaged, your skin is looking so thin, and that is why your green veins are exposed. Okay, and you can't have your green veins exposed like that. It is very dangerous because they are your blood vessels. Okay, so you need to pause all your skin lightening products. Make sure that your green veins are no longer showing before you can even think about using any brightening product. So it's either you pack them at one side or even throw them away, okay, because your skin do not need lightening products now. It needs healing. Okay, 2, it is now time for you to look out for products with hydrating, healing, skin barrier strengthening ingredients. Okay, ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, peptides, collagen. Those are the kind of ingredients that you need. Rosehip oil, those are the kind of ingredients that you need to be using on your skin if you want your green veins to disappear. You want to look at your skin again and not see any visible green veins on your skin. Can you see my hand? Do you see any green veins on my skin? That is because I am always using healthy products to strengthen my skin barrier and not to weaken it. Okay, I use products with hyaluronic acid, peptides, collagen, vitamin C, safe brightening ingredients, safe hydrating gentle ingredients on my skin. Okay, even if you want to lighten your skin, there's a way you can go about it without damaging your skin barrier. So for now, those are the kind of products that you should be going to shop for to put on your skin if you want your green veins not to show as much as it is showing. You don't want people to look at you and be like, what is wrong with your skin? Are you sick? You didn't used to look like this. So if you don't want people to, be criticizing you when you go out, then these are the kind of products that you need to be putting on your skin. Products with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, like I have already listed. Okay, that is why I want to recommend this Palmer's Shea Butter lotion for you. This particular lotion right here is a very good body lotion that can heal any form of skin barrier damage, including green veins, visible large green veins. Okay, it is going to help to protect your skin barrier, heal your skin barrier, strengthen your skin barrier, and bring bounce back to your skin. It is going to help to thicken the dermis of your skin. Like this right here is your dermis. Okay, so it is going to help to thicken the outer layer of your skin, help to bring bounce back to your skin without further irritating your skin. Rosehip oil is another skin barrier repairing ingredient that can help to bring your skin back to looking healthy again. And guess what? This rosehip oil is found in this Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil, and you can find this skin therapy oil anywhere in any cosmetic shop. Okay, so make sure that you get these two duo right here, the Palmer's Shea Butter Lotion and their skin therapy oil. You are going to pair these two products together, use it day in day out every day, and you will start to notice that your green veins is slowly disappearing because your skin will not be looking as thin as it is looking right now. Okay, your skin is going to thicken, which will make your green veins to do what? to disappear. Okay, now collagen is another vital ingredient that can help fix your green veins problem, okay, because it is going to help build that protein in your skin. In other words, encourage collagen production, help to firm up your skin and thicken your skin, so that your skin that is looking thin will now be looking what, very very thick. Okay, so you can sort out body products or body lotions with this collagen in there, like this Medix 5.5 collagen plus peptides body lotion, or this face packs collagen body lotion, or this Olay firming and hydrating body lotion. Like, these are the kind of body lotions that you want to be putting, that you would want to be putting on your skin day in, day out, day in, day out, morning and night. Okay, do not even think of putting any lightening products on your skin whilst using these hydrating gentle products. Do not put any lightening products, any lightening bar soap or any lightening body lotion on your skin, okay, till your skin has healed up completely. So you have to wait till your skin has fully repaired itself before you can even think of putting any brightening or lightening products on your skin. And this time you will know you have to do it right. You will not be using lightening products every day, because now you know that it can give you bad reactions. Sometimes even using safe lightening products wrongly can also give you green veins. Okay, you do not have to use lightening products every day, both morning and night. You can just choose one lightening product and use it once or twice a week, even if you want to lighten your skin. And that is the safest way to lighten your skin, with safe lightening products. Okay, so don't think that, okay, this bar soap is a good lightening bar soap recommended by a lot of skincare content creators, so I'm going to get this Koji San soap or this Asante papaya bar soap and start using on my skin every day of my life. It is going to destroy your skin barrier. It is going to damage your skin barrier, and you're going to end up with green veins. You are going to end up with sunburn. Okay, so make sure that even if you have to lighten or brighten, let me say lighten your skin again, because brightening is different from lightening. Okay, so even if you want to lighten your skin after, you know, getting your skin barrier healed and your green veins has disappeared, you need to make sure that you are doing it the right way. But for now, you need to give your skin time for it to heal up, for your skin's dermis to thicken up, for your green veins to disappear, before you can even think of going back to your lightening products. Do you understand? So you're going to start off with a very good, gentle, hydrating, mild bar soap, like this Cousin's baby soap right here. It is very mild and very gentle, and also very hydrating. Then you follow up with this Palmer's shea butter body lotion with shea butter in there. Shea butter is really great at also repairing the skin, or you can choose any of the collagen body lotions that I recommended earlier. Okay, then you top up or you seal up with this skin therapy oil from Palmer's. So this is going to be your routine: a mild, gentle, hydrating bar soap like this Cousins. Then you follow up with a Palmer's shea butter lotion. Then you seal up with the Palmer's skin therapy oil. Do this continuously for as long as you have to, till you notice that your green veins has finally disappeared. That is the only way you're going to know that, okay, your skin has healed up. Then you can now think of adding a nice body scrub or a very good brightening body lotion, or a nice brightening bar soap that is not as harsh as the products that destroyed your skin barrier in the first place. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you picked any tips from this video, let me know down in the comment section. If you have green veins and you don't know how to go about it, let me know if this video helped. Okay, let me know the body lotion that you're going to choose to help fix your green veins. Okay, also you can leave me any comments, any questions down in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing skincare topics or videos or updates like this one. Also like this video for me before you leave. Okay, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Till next time, take care and stay blessed. Love you. Mwah. Bye.